What's up everybody, welcome back to a new prank. So today's video we are going to do a magic prank with this card that I have. We just go to random people and do a magic prank, and without further ado, let's see the reaction of the people. Okay guys, if you are new in this channel, what you have to do, just hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to make sure that you don't want to miss the next video that we will do just like this. Let's get started. I should come. You are from?
Manipur.
Manipur, okay, nice. By the way, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
So I'll do a magic trick for you, okay? What you have to do, just choose one card from here.
Big card.
Yeah, pick one card from here. See it for yourself. And then put it back here, okay? Put it back here, like
there?
No, just put it on top, right? Like this. Fine, right? So now what you have to do, you have to hit this one, okay, like this. Okay?
Blow.
Yeah, below his something like that. Okay. Hit it.
Me?
Yeah, you have to hit it, no, because your card, right? Once again, loudly.
A smelly smell, it smells smelly.
What do I have to do? Just take one finger, set up fresh. Okay. Now eat it, now eat it. Yeah.
Try first time.
Why well? Yeah, you eat it, yeah. You chew it fast, okay? So now hit it again. Yeah, now it's good. Yeah, you have to do. Do it properly. Do it once again properly.
A smelly smell, it smells smelly.
Okay, brother. What I have to do? You just take it. Then you take it. Eat it. Now you do it again. Now it's good. Okay. Are you fine, right? Okay. You have choose a card, right? You have see it by yourself, right? You saw it. So now let me pull the card that you have chosen. This is the one, right? Hey, bro. You are from?
A smelly smell, it smells
Still hot?
A smelly smell, it smells smelly.
Kam sembilan step. Pang Raja. Tang lele. Sino dulu? Tak biasa. Tang lele. Okay guys, this is all about the video. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll be very grateful and thankful if you give me any idea to do the next prank or next video. So that's all. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.